से गुरुकुल. In my Gurukul, our today's topic is division calculations. After this topic, you will be able to understand how division helps us in solving our day-to-day problems. So this we will understand through a small story. And the story is, there is a small little cute boy named Samar. One day he was going to his friend's house and he saw three cute little squirrels playing in a park. And he thought, why not to give them some treat? Just then he checked his bag and he saw that there are these nuts in his bag, and he counted them. So he found out that he has 80 nuts in all. But he got confused, like how to divide these nuts equally amongst these three squirrels. Just then he recalled in last class of Ghar Se Gurukul, he has learned that through division we can divide a thing equally and fairly among people, right? So that's how he did it. Let's see how he solved the problem. So he had 18 nuts in all. Number of nuts Samar has 18. Number of squirrels are 3. 18 is dividend and this 3 is the divisor. Now, and this is the bracket of divide. Dividend always comes inside the bracket of division. And this divisor will always come outside. Now what he did? He recalled the table of 3 till the time 18 comes in the table. 18 or any nearest number to 18, that will work. Okay. So he found that 3 6s are 18, or 6 times 3 is 18. So 3 6s are 18. Now first we have to subtract these two numbers. 18 minus 18 is 0, which means our remainder is 0. And quotient is 6. It means that he will give 6 nuts to each one of the squirrels. Now, as I told you that division is also called repeated subtraction, so let's understand how we can recheck it, or how we can see that this thing we can solve through repeated subtraction as well. These 3 were the squirrels, right? And Samar had 18 nuts in total. The quotient was 6. As I told you, Samar will give 6 nuts to each one of the squirrel. So 18 minus these 6 nuts that he gave to first squirrel. So 18 minus 6 is 12. Now Samar is left with 12 squirrels after 12 nuts after giving 6 nuts to first squirrel. Then he gave 6 nuts to the second squirrel. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So after giving 6 nuts to second squirrel, he is left with 6 nuts. Then he gave 6 more nuts to third squirrel. So 6 minus 6 is 0. As I told you, in repeated subtraction, we repeatedly subtract same number. So that's what we have done here. We have repeatedly subtract 6 here, right, which was our quotient. This was the answer in our division problem as well, right? So here we can say that division is also called repeated subtraction. Now let's understand this through one more example. Here I have these 30 balls in all, and I want to put these balls in 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In these 5 boxes equally and fairly, means I want to divide these balls so that I get equal number of balls in all 5 boxes. So how will I do it? Using the method of division. Number of balls are 30, which is the dividend. See, dividend is always the number that we have to divide amongst people, right, or amongst things. Number of boxes is 5, which is our divisor. Now this is our division bracket. Dividend always comes inside the division bracket. So 30 here. 5, which is the divisor, will come outside here. Now we have to read the table of 5 till the time 30 or a number nearest to 30 comes in the table. So we found out that 5 6s are 30, or 6 times 5 is 30. So 5 6 are 30. Now 30 minus 30 is 0. As I told you, if we subtract a number from itself, the remainder is always 0. The answer is always 0. So 30 minus 30 is 0 and our quotient is 6. Means I can keep 6 balls in all 5 boxes, and this way I will keep equal number of balls in all of them. The 0 is remainder and 6 is the quotient. Now just like the previous question, as we rechecked the solution through repeated subtraction method, so that's what we will do here as well. We had 5 boxes in all and we had 30 balls and our quotient was 6. So let's check if the division that we did was correct or not. 30 is the total number of balls. 30 minus 6 balls that we put in the first box. So 30 minus 6 is 24. If I put 6 balls in the first box, I am left with 24 balls in all. Now I put these 6 balls in the second box and I am left with 18 balls. Now here comes the third box. 6 balls in third box and I am left with 12 balls. Now 6 balls in fourth box and I am left with 6 balls. Now these 6 balls will go in the fifth or last box and I am left with 0 number of balls. So here also we repeatedly subtract 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We repeatedly subtract 6 5 times to get the answer. 5 times 6 is 30. It means the solution that we did was correct. So I am sure with this the concept of division calculations is clear to you. That's all from Ghar Ka Kamaan.